Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks accelerated losses in the final hour of trading Thursday as banks and other financials sold off, and investors braced for a key payroll report Friday that could set the direction of interest rates. Investors received more news on the state of the labour market ahead of Friday's closely watched non-farm payrolls report. Jobless claims for the week ended March 4th rose more than expected, signalling a resilient economy, heightening fears that the Fed needs more hiking to slow it. Traders are now pricing a 75% chance of a 50 basis point increase. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1.7%, while the Nasdaq Composite shed 2.1%. The S&P 500 slid 1.9%. Banking weakness is one of the big stories today as SVB Financial tanked 61% after announcing a $1.75 billion stock sale, pushing its market capitalization to a little over $6 billion and dragging down other regional bank names. In addition, Silvergate shares plummeted 30% on the news that it's shutting down its operations. The losses pushed the S&P financial sector down 4% for its worst day since June of 2020. Financial bellwethers Bank of America and Wells Fargo also took a hit, tumbling more than 6% each. And Adidas is stuck with a very expensive reminder that a lot has changed in the last few years. The athletic brand is sitting on roughly $1.3 billion worth of Yeezy gear after cutting ties with Ye, formerly known as Kanye West, for his anti-Semitic comments. The company expects an operating loss of over $730 million this year. The last time Adidas reported an annual loss was over 30 years ago. In commodity news, Trafigura CEO Jeremy Weir expects a looming supply shortages of several crucial metals like copper and lithium could threaten the global transition to clean energy. Additionally, Jeremy Weir stated that the shortage of battery metals, including lithium and cobalt, have highlighted the challenges that automakers could face in increasing EVs output. And on the ASX yesterday, shares of Piedmont Lithium and Atlantic Lithium were halted on Thursday to allow the companies to prepare a response to a short-selling report. The report from Blue Orca claims that after investigating source documents and Ghana corporate records, it found that Atlantic obtained key Ghana mining licenses by making secret payments and promises of payment to the immediate family of a high-level Ghana politician. Atlantic and Piedmont will seek legal advice to address the claims made by the report. Overnight, all S&P 500 sectors finished lower. It was a rough session with consumer discretionary, materials, real estate and communication services all closing lower by more than 2%, whilst financials closed lower by more than 4%. The SPI futures are pointing to a 1.1% fall. Thank you for listening. Have a great weekend.